Welcome back to Drive Domination. Today, we're taking the future for a spin. Meet the bold, the brilliant, the all-electric Kia EV6. This isn't your typical Kia with its aggressive front grille, razor-sharp LED lighting, and coupe roofline. The EV6 screams performance and street under the hood, or should we say under the floor. The EV6 delivers up to 576 horsepower in the GT model, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.5 seconds. Instanto toruka. Silent aggression with up to 500 kilometers of range and ultra-fast 800 volts charging. You get 100 kilometers of range in just 4.5 minutes. That's faster than your coffee break. Step inside and it's like a spaceship. Dual panoramic screens, haptic touch controls, eco-material seats, and yes, the tech is next level, loaded with ADAS features, lane assist, 360 cameras, and highway drive assist. The EV6 is smart, safe, and totally future-ready. The Kia EV6 isn't just another EV, it's a statement. A futuristic ride that dominates roads and minds. Is it the best EV under $60,000? You decide? Hit that like button if you're impressed. Subscribe for more EV and let us know in the comments, would you buy the EV6 or go Tesla? This is Drive Domination, where the road meets the future.